What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Big Bob's back in here. So I finally got the Artec Tracbar bracket. I believe it's called the Apex stock bracket, Tracbar bracket. And it's pretty heavy duty. So we're gonna put this bad boy in and we're gonna install it. My friend Abraham, he's a very good welder. He's gonna help me out. I'm trying to learn how to weld, but I haven't spent very much time on it. And I don't trust anything that's gonna have any kind of weight-bearing heavy things that can possibly fail. So Abraham's an expert at the welding, so he's gonna help me out with it, and let's check it out. Okay, there's a couple of spots. Looks like it needs to be welded here. This bracket broke here, and then in the back, also back there. Back side of the bracket. Here's the underside. Okay, so
it goes like that. This gets up, and that gets up. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and we don't need that piece anymore.
Nothing.
But maybe the new one goes in there?
We'll mock it up, but my most concern right now is I need to cut this whole stuff out. Right? Because
yeah.
Then this, I could just push this out of the way like that.
Oh, and that thing.
Yeah.
It should.
Yep.
Yeah, like butter.
Like butter. So I don't know what this is for. Oh, maybe here? I don't know.
I think that there's some other kind of placements like
applications.
Yeah, I think that's what.
But right now we're going off of this and this. Right? Okay, we'll do that.
You didn't get my right.
Yeah, hammer anywhere right there?
All right, this is my friend Abraham here. He helped me out with the welding. So the JK is back on the road. Well, I have to make it home first. So once I make it home, I gotta make it home. But yeah, Abraham, he's a man. He helped me out. So thanks a lot, Abraham. I appreciate it.
Yeah, anytime.
So here's a look at the new bracket that was installed. Abraham did a pretty good job for me. Excellent job welding the bracket on. Get underneath here. Finally got the JK together. I went to my friend Abraham's house. He helped me out with the welding of the bracket. I got an Artec bracket, and we have it all welded back on. It went pretty smooth. The only thing that I had to do was get a alignment afterwards. So I got the alignment done just now. Drove home, steering wheel straight. I don't have any wobbles or anything. Before the alignment, I was getting a couple pops and cracks and things, but that seems to be all together. So I'm happy now. I got to plan another trip, get this Jeep back on the road. Big Bob's back in here. Peace and I'm out.